Hello. Welcome to Mind Blown. Today we will discuss how to get free land in the USA in 2023. Are you dreaming of a life off the grid? Do you want to start a business or homestead on free land? The U.S. government offers free land opportunities through the Bureau of Land Management. Learn more about the requirements for acquiring free land, how to apply, and success stories from people who have done it. Plus, discover the benefits of homesteading and get tips on how to make the most of your homesteading opportunity. The Bureau of Land Management offers several land opportunities in the United States. To acquire free land, you must meet certain criteria, such as living on the land for a minimum of 5 years and making improvements to the land. You must also comply with federal, state, and local laws. Applying for free land through the Bureau of Land Management is easy and straightforward. You must fill out an application and submit it to the Bureau of Land Management's local office. The application will then be reviewed, and you will be notified if you are approved. Be sure to stay to the end of the video to see who and how to get in contact with to make your dream of owning your own land come true. Now let's hear about a few success stories of people who have acquired free land through the Bureau of Land Management. Tim Keller of Colorado. In 2017, Tim applied for and was granted a homesteading permit, which allowed him to live on and work 20 acres of public land in Colorado. He has since developed the land into a thriving homestead, complete with a greenhouse, orchard, and livestock. Charlie White. In 2018, former Navy sailor Charlie White was granted a homesteading permit from the Bureau of Land Management to live on and work 40 acres of public land in Arizona. White has since built a successful homestead, complete with a garden and livestock. Mariah Fox. In 2019, Mariah Fox was granted a homesteading permit from the Bureau of Land Management to live on and work 20 acres of public land in Utah. Fox has since developed the land into a thriving homestead, complete with an orchard, vegetable garden, and chickens. In 2020, Jared and Ashley Smith were granted a homesteading permit from the Bureau of Land Management to live on and work 20 acres of public land in Colorado. The Smiths have since developed the land into a successful homestead, complete with a greenhouse, orchard, and livestock. Lastly, in 2021, Nate and Amber Thomas were granted a homesteading permit from the Bureau of Land Management to live on and work 20 acres of public land in Oregon. The Thomases have since developed the land into a successful homestead, complete with a vegetable garden, chickens, and goats. The benefits of homesteading include a lower cost of living, improved quality of life, and the ability to live off the grid. It also allows you to know where your food is coming from and the peace of mind of knowing that what you are eating is healthy and GMO-free. Homesteading also creates sustainability. As we all have witnessed skyrocketing food prices and supply shortages, homesteading ensures that you will always have the best quality food. You can also grow food organically if you so choose. And the best part of homesteading is the reward of having done it all yourself. To make the most of a homesteading opportunity, it is important to plan ahead and develop a strategy for setting up a garden, raising livestock, and creating a sustainable lifestyle. I would recommend using permaculture and regenerative agriculture techniques as you work the land. Additionally, it is important to research local laws and regulations to ensure compliance with federal, state, and local laws. Finally, it is important to connect with other homesteaders for advice and support. I would recommend researching books and videos about homesteading using permaculture and regenerative agriculture written and made by Justin Rhodes, Joel Salatin, and Greg Judy. You may also learn from other YouTube channels like Sow the Land and The Holler Homestead. Free land opportunities through the Bureau of Land Management provide the opportunity for people to start a new life, create a business, or homestead on public land. Learn more about how you can realize your dreams of owning land by exploring the links and resources provided below. Get started on your own free land opportunity today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe so that I may continue to grow and provide you with these resources. Thanks for watching.